फिर से वही हो रहा. I just wanted that turtle soup. It's funding ticks, bro. I have to trade MFFU also. uh, कल का कॉपी ट्रेड किया था, आज का पता नहीं, डाउट है. आज आज शायद एक ही में लूंगा. आई डोंट वांट टू रिस्क मच. ये 3 मिनट का गैप रहता तो अच्छा रहता. See how it closes. अरे यार, इसको तो छोड़ दे, इसको तो छोड़ दे, इसको तो छोड़ दे, इसको तो It literally doesn't want me to take a trade here. I swear to God. I thought ये 3 मिनट का बनेगा, 3 मिनट का भी क्लोज हो गया. 5 मिनट, I thought at least 5 मिनट तो बनेगा. I waited for everything. I waited for the soup also. इधर नहीं लिया. ये वाला मेरा ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट था, अगर होता तो. Sometimes it gave CISD here, but not too confident क्योंकि this gap is there. Like to trade inversions. और ये mitigate भी नहीं होता है. If it was mitigated, then probability decrease होता. Hello, 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 hello. What is happening in S&P? Okay. Oh, ये क्या चल रहा है? Not trading today. Not NQ for sure. Gold is giving something. Let's see. एक inversion यहाँ पे. This was break even. This was TP. Freaking 2.7 hour trade मिस कर रहा हूँ. Funding future account अच्छा है क्या? If you have money, it's very good. It's the best if you have money because उनका payout limit नहीं है. Here you have to have like 5 inning days and all. उनका जो है CFD, जो CFD फंडिंग टिप्स वैसा वैसा प्रॉफम जैसा payout rules है. But futures का account है, so it's actually way better compared to other firms. And there is no like drawdown. जो तुम्हारा लॉस है उतना ही होने पे the account gets breached. Here na, if you make profit, the loss also will come front. You can never make loss more than 2.5k. I like the rules. I'm using funding ticks because I love funding pips. Funding pips was the best in terms of everything. So I'm currently using funding ticks. उनका ये futures का profit. This is actually a, what do you call, what model is that? Unicorn model. This is literally unicorn model fail over sharp. Let's see अगर ये फिर से, yeah, if it goes down more, eh, yeah, if it goes down more, कहीं तो, if it takes out the slow also fine. If it goes down more, इधर से एक inversion, I can literally take longs. and leave a gap. Technically, that breaker is holding जो breaker block जो box है. Yeah, yeah, close there. Don't move anywhere. See, this is what it does. Technically, there's a small gap. Let me go and search GC. It was there in GC. I'll take. Yeah, it is there. अगर इन्वर्ट होगा तो लूंगा. Sorry. If it does invert here, छोटा, but it might work. I'll color this breaker some other. Take that. I'm using a 50K account, challenge account. It's a 50K. I'm up 1%. I need to make 4 more percent. बहुत गंदा पीए चल रहा है. So yeah, this week has been little harsh, but it's fine. Look at this. Candle bodies are not closing out above this breaker. इधर से आ सकता है. Some people would take swing longs यहाँ पे. This is actually a very nice RR trade जो breaker का extreme है. 1 to 3 easy. 1:3. जैसे इधर 1 to 1 हो जाता. I'll probably see if I can take this trade. It looks good. Nah, limit order. Hey, this has 368. Let me lock in. Did it close? Nah. Yeah, I can show no. This account is up 368. ये अकाउंट ना मेरा 1800 कुछ चल रहा था नेट PNL. Then God knows it requires this thing consistency rule, which sucks to be very honest. So it's almost around 1%. 500 na. This is other account though. One more. One more is getting copy traded. बहुत hectic है copy trade करना. That's क्या गंदा closing there है. See again, last second when it happened. Just this. Ara, 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 ara. It literally went so fast. अरे यार क्या कर रहा. We'll keep a limit. I literally waited for this trade to happen. चला गया. Uh, let's see, let's see, let's see. Five. Instead of four, it became five. इधर तक रहा था तो four आ था. Nope. Easy. Easy trade. इधर से इधर तक वेट गया. Can technically give. Was it worth taking this trade? No, I won't take this. Let's see. I kept my limits if it hits. Yeah. वो डरा ही दिया. Okay, entered longs right there. ये रिजेक्ट नहीं होना था. It's actually a good trade and but a bit risky one because we already took out this internal high. देखेंगे देखेंगे. I let it play out. Damn nice reaction. Something that I was hoping for. Oh, I didn't explain you guys the reason, right? So the reason of this trade is simple. So we pushed low and a high. We are respecting this 15-minute fair value gap. And also we spooked this 1 minute low. I don't think so. Price wants to go more extreme than this. Also, we had this breaker block and a fair value gap, which is a uh, what model is that? Forgot the model name itself. Unicorn model. So it's a unicorn model which got respected. I don't think so. It has to go below this low if it's getting respected. At least till this high gets taken out. From there, my stops will be break even, and let's see if we can reach this high. Nice push though. I'll trail my stops aggressively. It'll be this low now because it took out this high. I want this high to take to be taken out to be completely break even. AMD on NAS. Yeah, that is there. I don't want to trade this price action, bro. It's very horrible. AMD is there. This SMT is also there. Probably it wants to go more deeper than can look for longs. कहाँ तक यहाँ तक तो जाना चाहिए. Otherwise, it's not a good trade because we are in premium. Price ऊपर जाके फिर manipulate करके नीचे आ सकता है. Oh, the risk is way too less now. I want this gap to hold the breaker block. Why not break even it? I'm confident that this high is gonna take out, so उसके लिए नहीं किया. Sometimes price usually takes out high, pushes back to break even, and then pushes higher. I'm a bit confident that's it. भाई कुछ नहीं है, because this is that 5 minute internal high. And नहीं काम करेगा तो it's a very less small risk का loss होगा. नहीं तो will be break even here, TP full here. जब भी ऐसा हिट होता है ना, आप बैक टेस्टेड that's why I'm using like that. बैक टेस्टिंग में हमेशा क्या करता, ऐसे टीपी वीपी रखता था ना, तो यूजुअली क्या होता था, इट यूज टू हिट माय ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट, फिर ब्रेक इवन से सीधा एंट्री तक आता था, एंट्री से सीधा टीपी तक जाता था. लुक एट दैट, दैट्स व्हाई. ये देख, ये कैंडल आ रहा था. इमेजिन इट्स विक मी आउट एट ब्रेक इवन एंड देन पुशेस हायर. Now I can actually set my stops to break even because it took out that again ये वाला high. I wanted to close a few partials. Let's see if it hits this high. I'll close to. It has to wait. Uh, Sell. Okay. I close to there. I closed. How much did I close? I closed around $100, $110. So yeah. क्योंकि इसके बाद क्या होता है भगवान जाने. We'll run it till 3.7 on our trade. अभी जो है everything is free. Understood, right? I was confident कि यहाँ तक जाएगा. That's why I didn't do. अभी इधर इधर से आ सकता है, so I can take that loss. I usually close it at a 1 to 1. See, इसीलिए instant rejection. Let's hope कि जाएगा. It's a very good trade. How much was my actual risk here? How much did I take TP for? I took TP exactly at 1 to 1. I took see, I took the partials exactly at the point where I wanted. पता चल जाता है कि कैसे ये करता है. Gold also I've traded a lot, but I have never traded like London session ऐसे properly. आज ही कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि नासडैक का बंद हुआ आज. This was nothing. पर ये ट्रेड चले जाता सी my entry was somewhere here, right? This would have worked, but it's not worth it staying as is price action में. 32 it's work. इसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करूंगा. There's a very good chance कि इधर तक जा. See, let's go. I'm 99% sure कि TP तक जाएगा. 99, not 100. 1% might fail, but these highs are like way too good. Let's go, doing it live. I need one job. Please invert this gap. It is on the verge of like inverting that. Yep. That's it. Hold there. Okay. If that thing inverts, अगर ये 5 मिनट में properly invert करेगा, then I'll hold my full position. Otherwise, I'll close one more. Because I usually aim 1 to 1 जो 1 to 1 का extra मिल रहा है. अगर वो दूसरा वाला break in भी होगा तो चलेगा. If this gets inverted in 5 minutes, I'm gonna hold it full. 1.5 minute hai baby. Okay, so last minute, one more minute. If it closes above the box, I'm gonna hold. Otherwise, I'm gonna close one more. Simple. Depends on what this candle does. 30 more seconds. So let's hold, let's hold, let's see. Let close good. I'll let it run for a bit. जो बोला था वो कर लेना था. Close if it doesn't close above that. But I was like, if I do that, then I see $50 का because it's half rate. I was like $50 में क्या ही चलेगा. Almost break even में था. I got slipped so bad. It's fine. Done for the day. I should have closed it here when I said कि नहीं होता. फिर I'm like okay fine. अगर करता ऊपर जाता I'm like क्यों नहीं गया तो the candle closures were nice. I didn't know कि ऐसे रिजेक्ट करेगा. It's fine. I made $100. Let it keep it there. It came to that order block. I was telling no कि AMD setup बन रहा है कौन था वो? Uh, yeah, that's not AMD. Why sudden volume though? Let some news come. Yeah, yeah. AMD doesn't happen like simply उसके लिए understanding चाहिए. अगर AMD होता फिर it has to break this SMT which is hard. यहाँ पे देखो this is very close to taking out this slow. यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे जब SMT बनेगा then look for buys. But still buys from here is nice क्योंकि वो discounted पे है. You have that 15-minute order block. I think 1 hour का कुछ होगा. You have this 1 hour order block also. जो pin bar candle था. This 4 hour open high low close. Manipulated higher. Rejecting all the way. This trade could have run. जो trade hold नहीं करता वो नहीं run करता. This entry here. See that SMT did work out. यहाँ तक 125 होता. This is like a sudden move. I don't know. I didn't expect that. Why is my Steam running? Did someone call me out? Oh no. Yeah, you can find a buy setup if it takes out that low. फिर अच्छा SMT बनेगा. We are actually reacting at a good level. Like जो है, this level is actually very good to take trades to. Because this candle didn't have bottom wick, so this candle came to create the bottom wick for this candle. और ये इसमें early order block में है. So इसके अंदर is very nice to take buys. क्योंकि that is proper wick rejection. This thing. कुछ लोग some people try this. Okay, sniper entry मिलता है ऐसे कुछ. ऐसे कुछ. I've seen people take this trade. 9 में से 10 बार काम नहीं करता. एक बार जब काम करता है बहुत देता है. I'm actually going. We'll see if it works. ऐसे ही. Yeah, let's see if my setup works. 1 raised to 16. 9 में से 10 बार काम नहीं करता, एक बार करता है। थिंक ये वो एक बार ही है। I'll actually go, guys. Nothing. It's almost like a break-even day for me. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं गया. So yeah, we'll meet again. Try looking for buys if there's S&P proper. थोड़ा जल्दी आ गया ये वाला. इधर होता तो अच्छा रहता. But it's fine. Can try to look for buys. देखो ये लो ले लिया. The slow is already taken out. इसलिए जा रहा. We have this SMT right here. SMT. This is like proper SMT. उसके साथ everything is bullish. We have relative equal highs also. See, we have this relative equal highs. Very good longs. यहाँ तक. Yeah, wait for more context and yeah, see how it goes. I'll just keep it as a level. We'll see कि काम करेगा कि नहीं. So yeah, guys, I'll take my leave. It's already been too late. 2 घंटे से कर रहा हूँ. So anyway, I took one trade today. It was a 1 hour partial with break even. That's it. So it's RR. I want to see how it reacts there. Is it an instant stop out or क्या होगा? Tab level, is it gonna crush it or it's gonna hold? Come on, my boy, react. Damn, nice reaction. अच्छा reaction है. Oh, damn, it's pushing. Let's see if my level works. This is a very pro level. Gone, gone. Fuck this. ऐसे नहीं react करना है, हाँ. ऐसे ही दिया था. But most of the time it works. कहीं तो यहाँ पे just keep it. Feel like stop rate हुआ. We enter here. Stop something like this. Fine. I gave you guys the bottom of the trade. It's I'm gonna use paper trading here. Bye. ऐसे ही डाल रहा मैं. Don't take this as a real trade. It's paper trade. I logged out of my trade of it. ट्रेडोवेट कहाँ पे है, ट्रेडोवेट कहाँ पे है?